guy or no?
He's pranking us.
Yeah.
No, she's pranking me. See? I saw her.
He actually like she fell down.
Yeah. I already saw that.
Hello everyone, hello Meghalaya Khasi people, welcome back again. And today we are back for suggested music video here by the title
Jingieid Nyngkong. Nyngkong.
Jingieid Nyngkong, Khasi Romantic Love Song. Wow, so we're
Ram
going to watch
Suchiang. We have already reacted to him so many times.
Oh, Ram Suchiang. They said he's a very good singer from Meghalaya, guys. So thank you so much, Ram Suchiang, for giving amazing, lovely song. So today we are going to check for sure romantic love song. So this is Subi from Nepal, and yeah.
He's Gabriel from South Sudan.
So without wasting time, just do us one favor, guys. Make sure to subscribe, put on the notification bell so that you find our regular video.
Let's go.
Feat Ram Suchiang. So we are going to see him here. Actually, guys, up to now, I don't know Ram Suchiang physically. Like I don't know. I just used to see in the comment that he's a good singer. I think
They're translating it as Indonesian language. So funny. They're saying Indonesian.
that's all.
Yeah, that's YouTube is guessing it as Indonesian.
พี่วันพาลังหาจิงอิงจงนานาฮับบันปืนคัดสีบาดสิงยาอาลาโนชากันยอเลยตั้งบัดพี่หังดิกงายอกันองกันตีอาลาโนชากันยอเลยตั้งบัดพี่หังดิกงายอกันองกัน
Wow.
Lakon tiada baju yes norden Jingieid jongi kan ong kan ran shadin Habiba inah klay Lagi juwala Baga birthday kan la banteng yakla
Jingieid Nyngkong ngam la bang klek Day tang yapi, day tang hanga kadur iskun jong pi O tang bat pi ngala rai kun nadu do nut Ba Jingieid jongi
Nice.
kan yai tu kumadu
Guys, I don't know if that Ram Suchiang if he's like, as I said before, like physically I don't know Ram Suchiang, but I know he's a good singer because whenever I react to the song, they used to say he's a good singer to his song. So many people appreciate him actually. So I came to know that he's a very good singer, and I just want to know him physically. So if he's not this guy in this music video, just send me any video title or link that I can see him physically there, guys. I want to know how does he look. Is he like still a young guy or old guy? I don't know. Anyway, he sound good. Like his song is really so meaningful. What do you think of that, right?
Yes.
He makes so nice song. Like we are reading.
Love songs.
Yeah, the subtitle is provided. Like the song is really amazing, guys. So let's just check. Is he this guy or no?
He's pranking us.
Yeah.
No, she's pranking me. I already saw that
Ali bahi wan hasan da jonga Jingieid ba shisha kan yai ne shita
song.
Na piken in ngam
I had a similar print this.
shu ban yak kan jai men sim ikan ong la lende
Or you can go
ba isaka ai shu nga dei ban ong hanga phila byang lut na dong sha dong
Ia pingan ia i ngan nyu korea burong kat hadu bakut kismi shi jurong Jingieid Nyngkong ngam la bang klan dei tang yapi dei tang hanga kanur iskun jong pi o tang bat pi ngana rai kun na du do lut ba Jingieid jong mi kan yai tu kum la du ba Jingieid jong mi
I like this
kan
print.
yai tu kum la du
Both of them. Boys like you.
Okay, that's so nice. That's so nice. The ending is just for me.
I just dropped my earrings.
Okay, how is it? How is it? How do you think about the singer? Now I came to listen to the singer himself. Like, it's my first time today reading his subtitle, like knowing the meaning of his own music. So for sure, guys, from my side, I'll say yeah, it's a good because I witnessed just now. And regarding the video, it's so beautiful. I just love the way the dresses they have a lot of different outfit and all look beautiful, guys. The song is also so romantic, so lovely, right?
I think he usually sings romantic songs.
Yeah,
Before
they,
also we reacted.
yes. Previous song I think was by him only. We forgot the title of the song, but it was also a lovely song. Yeah, nice song, guys. Jingieid Nyngkong. Nyngkong Kong is like a lady.
Lady.
Jingieid is like love,
Aid means love.
love.
Jing.
Jing, like first. Jing, first love, like that, right? I just guess it, guys. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for suggesting, and make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. Love you all.